Alright guys, so we're in New York right now, getting ready for New York Comic Con. I'm right outside the JAVITS Center, so I'm actually walking around it, just kind of see where like all the entrances are and all that stuff. That way I know for tomorrow morning where to come and where to line up. So let's go. Alright, so I guess this will be the entrance for tomorrow for basically everybody this way, right towards the front. This place is massive inside. Let's go. Alright, this is where roll call is to pick up your tickets, your badges, all that good stuff. Alright guys, badges picked up. The calm before the storm. Alright, so we finished at the JAVITS Center. Now we're gonna go check out a couple spots. First spot we're going to is Midtown Comics. I've never been, but I heard it's a dope spot. So let's go check it out. Oh, that's a dope pose.
Yeah, I remember that.
Oh, the Jumbo Mando. That's tempting. Oh, it's retail. Oh, they got these already? Damn, that's early. Got Lucas tempting. That's a sick poster leaving. Make sure I don't fall down these stairs. Alright guys, back at the hotel room now. Man, I was tired and hungry, so I just came back here just to chill for a little bit. Might go hit up another couple spots, might not. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna record it. We'll see. But so that's pretty much it so far for today, guys. Went by the JAVITS Center, checked it out, badges ready, and then hit up Midtown Comics, which was a dope spot. Now I might get that Jumbo Luke, but it depends on how what kind of stuff I get the next 2 days at New York Comic Con. So I'm gonna wait for that first, and then maybe go back to Midtown. But stay tuned, guys, because I'll be dropping videos every day. So tomorrow, day 1 of New York Comic Con, I'm gonna be recording the whole day. So as soon as I get back to the hotel, I'm gonna edit it, upload it right away. So if you guys want to see more content, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, drop a like. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one tomorrow. Thank you.